Shout out to the Sweet Farm.
Right, so the Sweet family, you know what I mean? Original, you know?
To the face and hear the voice, they don't know Lisa Ipa. Me I represent for Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
Yeah. No, sir, the month I must you don't you laugh so much. What my Ackee in the tree. Look there. Jesus. Yes, sweet squad, Papa go pick Ackee now. Yeah, this is how you pick Ackee in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Oh. What a Oliver Ackee.
Look like I stop pick and go. So
Then what my again? But them are going to spoil off, man. Come like every Ackee walk me in the tree. Wow. Alright.
Hold this. Papa.
Wow. Let me see if me can pick one Ackee out of the tree. Come at me. May I try to pick one Ackee? No, you're not. Guys, so we go look for a market, go sell some Ackee in the area. Tell them, come on Jamaica pick Ackee. I'm going to eat patty. Yeah, man. Yeah, Ackee was made.
Ah, no.
Whoa.
Crazy.
Guys.
Oh.
Me catch it.
Yeah.
Me catch it.
Him catch
I'm
it.
sure.
My big catch it.
No, you see this? You see this well? Can't eat that one.
Alright, we'll just dash
Dash
that
it.
one there. Dash that one there. Yeah. We're going to save this one.
See you later. You're good, David?
And a butter Ackee though.
And what Ackee? Oh. Enough Ackee.
Yeah, man,
sweet
I
one.
mean, catch that in the bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanna say
Everything
me
I
catch
catch.
it? I'm gonna show you something.
Boy.
Sorry.
What are you doing? Just put them in the tree top.
Yes, Papa. School time, school run.
Ooh. I think this is good for your face. Very good. And for the ear as well. So yeah. Oh, yeah, people again. We used to drink it. No banana tree. This is banana tree. Yeah.
Alright. Pick them in now. Come here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
My God.
This is our national dish.
Right.
Yes.
You will pack up to go ahead.
What did I pick up here?
See, two, like 3 more over the Don't listen to someone.
Seed farm
Yeah.
there. And we're boxing up some ackee. As you can see. Yeah, cleaning.
Cleaning some ackee. No tin ackee to a tin. Straight off the tree. Yeah.
Right to North Carolina.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah, show people them the ackee where we have picked now.
Nice, pretty ackee.
Nice, pretty ackee.
ackee?
Yeah, show them the tray loaded the ackee.
Where tree?
Over this one.
My free.
Say what's up, one people.
What's up, one? My free. Come to Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Invest money.
Invest money in Jamaica. Give us all your money.
Give us all your money.
This is a mango tree. And who is this?
No. My free.
White tree.
Mango, they have a nice mango. Like if everything organic.
Nice mango tree. Wow, wait.
This owner than you and Zimmerman.
Duh. Look at those. Where you see them go ripe?
Oh,
August the 1st. August the 1st.
That's a mango tree. Show one right there.
You may show now?
I'm gonna pick it right.
No.
Nice mango tree, guys. What kind of tree this? So what's up?
No,
Okay.
I don't remember what you call it again.
What tree your name again? This.
No. So what's that tree?
Me see I saw a sap in name for
It's
true.
not so awesome.
I saw a sap tree.
No.
Alright, we not do such a great job. But God knows we see we are trying, right guys? We're trying. Behave.
Fight. Ow, my back.
Alright, excuse me.
Are
Alright,
you
so
causing the problem, bro?
nice.
Ketchup and how much years?
Post it in
Why don't I excuse me? I'm show them the tree.
like we Java brought down Samsung and she use her auntie. So,
It's a go for you, mean tube, yeah? So behave yourself. Yeah, you're not behave. But catch you while I gotta do something rude, you know? Huh? Oh, yeah. Well, listen. Yeah.
I saw him attack. No, let me ask you. Papa said that
Yeah, I pick no ackee, boy. This is a very low mango tree. What a mango there. Mango. You know this is what? Anyways, guys. Mango tree. Beautiful day in Trelawny, guys.
Lord, I thank you for sunshine.
Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. Hey, Give me a dance. Give me a dance. Come on. Thank you for right for hey, 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 hey. No, no, hey. Boy, back here, back here. Stir fry, stir fry. Stir fry and juke out them eye. Them alright. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Pull up.
Rice, please.
It's a nice site, you know? Like we got a lot of trees.
Kitty gwiggy, guys.
Yeah, when them come, or lick them and come, say them go take brother and sister walk. Or drive out, yeah. Free birthday.
Hey, we got a news person.
Say hello.
Say hello, sweet fam.
Hello, C fam.
What's up, sweet fam?
Hey! No jam on it? I swear. I swear. One family.
Oh my god! Shocking!
Hi, man.
The brotherhood, guys, the brotherhood. Yes. This is for grade 17 and you're not in grade 7, you are grade 6?
5.
6?
But no, what is solution? The air pollution.
But technically they're teaching you in grade 5 to up to grade 6 form.
What? Hold on, rewind. What you just say?
Nothing.
They catch up on human tube.
Yeah, so we got East Indian mango tree here. Yeah. Nice and fruitful place. Your sweet Scott, so these dogs have some high chest, yeah? He's waiting on Malay's barbecue. I give him one, baby. You want a barbecue chips?
Somebody else on money go. Get that bonus.
I'll show them so we soon finish it now, yeah. See you guys.